How to make money online? Well, you must have searched for it at least once amidst this pandemic where a lot of people have already lost their jobs. And you must have realized that a lot of videos about this topic on YouTube are totally fake and full of scams where they either tell you to download some app via their referral link or they ask you to join some network marketing chain at the end of the day benefiting themselves and not you. Well, this video is among the 10% of the videos that are going to help you in realizing how you can make money online and earn through your skills. Before proceeding further, we have to understand how the money is made. We earn money in exchange of the services or products that we provide to our customers. Without providing any service or product, there is literally no one in this whole universe who can lend us free money unless you are in Russian mafia, of course. So, to make money, we have to have some skills, and to make money digitally or to make money online, we have to have some digital skills or some skills that can be shared over the internet. In this video, I am going to share 6 of my favorite horsemen of earning online. So the world has been digitalized and almost every business out there have their Android applications, their websites and their social media handles all over the internet, and my skill set revolves around the same factors so that you can be beneficial to some company or some brand after learning these skills through my channel for free. So the first skill that is in trend right now and is my personal favorite is app development. You can be Android developer, iOS developer, or you can even be both. This skill does not require a lot of hard work or anything. You just need to have a logical mind and knowledge of some basic programming language like Java or C++ because all of the other languages follow the same syntax logic, and this skill can pay you a heavy amount like 20 to 25,000 per product. The skill that goes side by side with app development is UI UX designing. A lot of people think that UI UX are the same thing, but they are different. UI stands for user interface and UX means user experience. In UI, a designer basically tells the customer how the app or the website is going to look to them. On the other hand, a UX designer tells the customer how the app or the website is going to function. In UX, we basically build a prototype for the app or the website, and in UI, we basically design the interface of the app or the website. It is a very simple skill to have. For this, you just need a creative mind and knowledge about any designing software. My personal favorite software for this UI UX designing work is the software that I am currently using to show these slides to you guys, that is Adobe XD. This software is my personal favorite because this is designed for the sole purpose of UI UX designing. The second high paying skill is blogging. But I need you to know the truth about blogging. Recently, it has gained a lot of competition as more and more people are joining this sector. And to stand out from the competition, you need the knowledge about search engine optimization. You need to know how to write content correctly. Your content should be unique, and you should know how to work with Google AdWords because it is so hard to get organic traffic, as there are a lot of people working on the same niche or on the same category that you may be working on. Your content should be grammatically correct and it should be plagiarism free. That goes side by uniqueness, of course. Blogging is a slow revenue generator, but I'm guaranteeing you it's worth the wait if you know what you are doing. The skill that goes side by blogging is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be implemented in any way. It can be implemented on your blog, it can be implemented on your website, or you can make an app that works on the principle of affiliate marketing. You need to have the knowledge about search engine optimization to reach out to the target audiences and show them what you have to offer on your website about certain products. You must know how to build customer base on the basis of your reviews of products or however you reach out to them. You must have the skill to make groups so that you can have a lot of contacts you can share your content with. Now let's look at the affiliate marketing model. There basically exist two parties, one affiliate and the other one is the business itself. So the affiliate creates a relationship with business and join them by saying that I am going to work with you on commission basis, and they advertise the product of the business on their website or their apps. The users on the internet or the users that the affiliate have in his or her contact are going to interact with those advertisements and read the reviews that the affiliate has to offer them. If they are interested, they will go to the website of the company to buy the product, and when they buy the product, the company is going to know that they came across the product by your affiliate link or your website, and then they are going to pay you some commission for this work. Affiliate marketing pays a lot. It pays heavily if you know what you are doing. The last high paying skill is digital marketing. If you know how to play with human psychology and you know how to target a larger audience for some company or brand, then you can put your hand in digital marketing and earn a lot. As in this era of digitalization, every business is online and they need to stand out from their competition, in which you can help them. If you are good at digital marketing, if you are good at website designing, you are good at planning something, you are good at management, offline integrations, you can build a huge traffic from them for them, or you can handle their social media, you can optimize their processes, or you can even analyze their performance for them, and all these things pay a lot. Well, these were all of my horsemen of earning online, which I am using personally and earning a good amount of money. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in learning any of the skill that I talked about for free, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay connected, as I am going to upload videos about every single topic almost every day. Thank you for watching.